Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys where you can find the first elf on the 2024 Bloxburg elf hunt. So make sure you've gone to the Christmas plot, the winter Christmas plot, and you've talked to the first elf. You just need to give the elf cookies. So for the first elf, you are just going to go here to the Tom's Tree lot. I'm just gonna put my car here. And then I am going to find the elf. It's like near here somewhere. Oh, it's on the tree here. You're just going to bake this chocolate chip cookie, and then you're going to give the elf the cookie, and it's going to give you money. And that is the first elf location of the elf hunt. And that is pretty much it for this video. I will give you another video on the second elf. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.